Welcome back to Scale Bodge Not Built. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can paint the Scale Bodge Not Built bolt-on intercooler kits that I've now got for a few different chassis. Now there are multiple ways of painting these, anywhere from paint pens, there's even a chrome one there you can use for the pipe work and the cooler, to brushing it on. Or even spraying. Now you may want to keep your intercooler black to give it a more stealthy look, at which point what you might want to do is paint the cooler pipes and where your hose clamps would go. Now the first thing you're going to want to do, get some scotch. Just scuff the parts up a little bit. Once you've got them keyed up, you can give them a blow off. Now you can either use a brush or I've got a little air blower here. So we can do silicone joiners on this one red. We can use a Tamiya brush on paint. Now you could mask off where your joiners are going and along here, so that you could spray paint it red or whatever colour joiners you want. But we're just going to brush it on for now. You probably need to do multiple coats, and don't worry too much about going over where the silver joiners are going to go. And I'll show you why once we've given this another couple of coats. Now we've got a couple of coats of red on there, we can start masking it up for the next step. So what we're going to do is use some of Tamiya's 1mm masking tape around this part of the silicone and this part of the silicone. and then the 3mm for this part there. Right, that's the 1mm masking tape already on. Now for the 3mm. That's the 3mm on. There's one more bit of masking to do, which is along here. So you can just use normal masking tape for that if you want. Right, once that's masked off, we're now going to take it outside. Just give it a coat of silver. That's it with a coat of silver. You'll see why we've masked this off shortly. Leave that to dry for a bit. For the boost pipes it's pretty easy. You can mask it off if you wanted, but to be fair, you won't really see them, so you can just paint the whole thing. So I'll be back in a minute when these are painted in silver. Alright, that's the boost pipes painted. Leave them there to dry. Right, now we're going to take the masking off this. There you go, with the masking tape removed, you can see we've got some nice crisp edges. Now let's get this removed. Now I notice this might look a little bit odd, but I'll show you how we're going to paint the middle. And what we're going to do is actually a bit of dry brushing. So we're going to get some silver paint and we're going to have practically no paint on the brush itself. And we're just going to work it backwards and forwards, and what it will end up doing is painting the raised bits. There we go, once that's done, one last touch to do, let's go over these lines here. So for that, I'm just going to use the acrylic paint pen. There we go, that's the Intercooler painted. And there you go, that's how we go from this to this. So it's not the only way you can do it. You can play about and use different methods of painting. You can use aerosol if you wanted, rather than brush painting the silicone joiners. Or if you wanted them black, like on this, you could just mask off part of the pipe work anyway, and then just paint your silver on. I was thinking of putting some of these up for sale pre-painted, maybe in red, blue, black, and possibly even yellow. If you found it interesting on how to paint them, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.